Floss Rule. When a one-syllable word ends in F, L, S, or the letter Z, double the final F, L, S, or Z when they are preceded by a short vowel sound. We call this rule the floss rule because the word floss actually follows this rule, and it includes the letters F, L, and S, which help us remember the rule. The letter Z is actually not in the word floss, but it still follows the rule. A few examples of words that follow the floss rule are of, cuff, doll, kiss, mass, jazz. Okay, very simple rule, easy to introduce, to explain, to maybe even first graders when we are teaching spelling. Are there exceptions to the rule? Of course there are. Fortunately, for most of the exceptions that we have to the floss rule, there is a reason behind it that is pretty simple to explain. So, first of all, we have words like was, his, or is. Why is it that these words do not double the S? Well, if you listen closely, was, his, is, you'll realize that the sound that the letter S is making is not S, but Z, the sound of the letter Z. That happens in some English words that finish with the letter S. I won't go into detail here as to why it happens, but what you have to remember is that these words do not follow the floss rule. Then we have words like bus or gas. Why don't we double the letter S? This is because they are not real words actually. They are short for longer words, autobus and gasoline respectively. Then we have words like chef. Why don't we double the F here? Well, this is actually a borrowed word from French and we didn't even bother to change the spelling. Then we have words like cats, cups, hats, cuts, hops, skips. Okay, the first three are plural words ending in S. These are not going to follow the floss rule either. And the same goes for the present tense verbs ending in S. Cuts, hops, skips. And finally, you have the real exceptions. They simply do not follow the rule. If, pal, and yes are the three most common words that do not follow the floss rule when they should. For more rules for doubling consonants in English, this is the video to watch next.